Hey, Crystal, come in here just a second.
Yeah, what's up?
Hey, you want to go over and see that RV show over at the fairgrounds?
Yeah.
All right, well, let's go.
All right.
I guess they want to go too.
Apparently.
Okay. Lulu, you take care of the house now, okay?
I'll be good. Petey, keep the home fires burning.
Be good, Petey.
Got my slippies?
And you're making sure he's camped out in front of the fireplace.
Yeah, he is. You can blame him.
All right, well, let's roll.
All right.
Oh, gotta get my gloves.
All right.
Come on, Lulu, in here. Be a good girl. Isn't this lovely? Well, this should be fun. Especially out here in the snow, right?
Well, but it's inside, so it'll be okay.
Oh, it is inside?
Yeah, it's an indoor RV thing.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah. Yeah. It's a winter wonderland.
19 degrees. Never heard of a Brinkley before.
So we're a new company. We're not new to the industry though. So we have 5 owners. They're all equal partners. Ron and Bill Finnick. There are 2 of them. They used to be the president of Thor. They started Montana. They started Grand Design along with another guy, Don Clark, and then Bill ended up going into boats, started Barletta Boats. Our 2 other owners, they were both general managers at Grand Design before, Micah Staley and Nate Goldenberg. And so Micah actually designed this Model Z. And then Ryan Twaits is our other owner. He worked at Kodiak back in the day, built that brand up really nice, and then started Indiana Transport. So yeah, 5 owners are all independent.
Oh, cool. Very nice. Nice. Got a huge 30-pound bay, and then look at this. This bay is huge. Looks like it's got a drop frame on it. Generator bay. Battery box. Inverter. Like to have that upgraded to a Rhino, a Moride.
Shemaya, C-H-A-M-E-A. And a good last name? Bennett, B-E-N.
This is the other side of that bay. It looks like it's got auto leveling. Something similar to a Nautilus. Oh, it's got a reel on it too.
Oh, cool.
That's nice.
Very nice.
Put a spark connector on that. Double axle. And we have the pre-3000
I don't know. I can't get down there enough to see.
Doesn't look like it.
Watch out for these cords. So how many slides does it have? 3. One here. Is that good?
Yeah. This is different. They pop out. It's got the more ride steps on it. It's a nice handle.
Yeah.
1 awning, 2 awning. All right, well, now let's come in from this side. Bathroom. Look at that shower head.
Motion sensor light. Oh wow, it has a place to hang your Dyson. That's pretty cool. I'm thinking king size bed, but not a fan of the shelves on the side. But they have those nice little cubbies over there.
Your residential couch. Is that a hide bed?
This is something. I don't know if it's a
Maybe it's a trifold.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Is that in a televator over there?
Yes, it is a television.
Accent lighting. Huh?
There's a window.
Oh yeah? As in serial number 3?
I don't know about the serial number, but we're fortunate to have all their stuff went to Tampa RV show, and then this is one of the last.
Stainless steel sink. Yeah. One more time on the shade. Probably has one that comes up from the bottom too, doesn't it? No, maybe not. Yeah, maybe it does.
No.
Oh wow. I didn't even notice this one was sitting right there. Got a cell phone charger right here. All the windows open. These frameless windows open.
It's gotta be. It feels the same like this thing. Well, that's what I thought too. But it said that.
Bench. 2 nice little chairs.
So like room 35.
I'm gonna look in the refrigerator too.
Yeah. So,
Model Z.
and it's really neat because it does dim.
No frost.
Yeah. Well, that's maybe.
Sweet. What's in that? No pantry?
Dimmer.
Wow.
Yeah, isn't that nice? Ooh. And the bedroom dims too. That feels better, right? Yeah.
What's that you're playing with over here? The dimmer?
The dimmer. And it dims in there too.
That is so cool.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nice little bar.
Yeah.
And the price isn't that bad either comparatively.
No. Drawer. Yeah. You do?
Might be locked.
Yeah, there must be because he opened it.
It has a drawer.
Yeah. Like I put my placemats in there. Oh, it's a silverware.
Oh wow.
Oh wow.
Unless it was the other one. I'm pretty sure it was that one. Drawer. It's
Yeah,
got
that
two
one opens.
garbages here.
And the paper top.
Well, he did say they come from Grand Design, so
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It's just not gonna open in transit. So,
Yeah.
Oh, I just see that floor.
Yeah.
yeah, nobody's scared. It
Oh,
won't break.
cool. Yeah, I almost turned the oven on. That is so
Yeah.
cool.
wow.
You guys thought of
Do you have
everything.
any animals or anything?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you have the pet dishes, you see
No.
this? Pet dishes pop in there.
My wife and don't have
What kind of warranty do these things
We
have?
have a 3-year structural warranty.
Okay.
1 year bumper to bumper. 20 years in the roof membrane, 5 years in the tires, 5 in the axles, 5 on the graphics.
Cool. And you said it's a 4 seasons?
Yeah, so but in essence, we tested it down to 0 up to 100. The way we warranty it, if you choose it full time, we'll never void your warranty. The underbelly in this coach is heated and enclosed. We have a duct that goes in there. We wire it off to a 2-inch duct in each holding tank. Each holding tank also a 12-volt heat pad as well.
That's awesome.
This thing's
No.
hollow.
No, I didn't see these. And they pop down?
We also have the storage in here too. So these come up. A little strut there. And then
Wow.
soft close.
Oh wow.
And these recline. You have the silverware drawer in the table.
What
You
do
got a paper towel holder in the drawer.
They really outdid themselves on this one, didn't they?
This is cool. I like
And the guy said that Grand Design and Thor and all those other industries, they were in part of designing these.
it. Wow. You can tell. You can see it.
Yeah.
Just all the little things that they have.
Those pop-out windows are worth their weight in gold right there to me. You about ready to go?
Yeah. I'm ready to go. I'm tired.
Yeah, it's getting kind of late. And I'm burning up. You can imagine that, huh?
Right?
Oh, bright light, bright light.
Ooh, that sun.
Yeah.